Hello everyone, hope you are all okay. Today we are going to play another 3 games of Mario and Sonic at the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games. So let us begin.
Quick match.
Now these 3 games are Canoe, Fencing and 4x100 Relay. I say we start with fencing.
Table tennis.
No, not table.
Fencing.
Fencing, and we'll do it as a team. Now for this one we'll need 2 characters, and I'll take Knuckles and Wario. Looks like we're playing against Team Donkey Kong with Dr. Eggman. So let's look at the rules. Every time we hit our opponent we will get 1 point. The first to reach 10 points wins. When we tilt up to hold our sword high, we press A for a high lunge. When we tilt down to hold our sword low, and then we press A for a low lunge. We can tilt left or right for our movement, and we press B to parry as a defense thing, and then when our opponent is off balance we can hit them with the fencing stick. Then when the super course is full, we hold down and press A to do a super lunge, and it will earn us 3 points. And if in the end it's 1 winner, 1 loss, then the total amount of points shall determine the winner. So let us start. Looks like we're playing against Donkey Kong. Let's see how it goes. Oh, Donkey Kong is coming at us. Oh, he's moving back. Let's lunge. Oh, he parried. He's already on super shots. Donkey Kong is very strong. But luckily I took him down off the fencing line. Let's unleash our super shot. Oh. I took him down pretty fast. Now looks like it's Wario versus Dr. Eggman. So let's see if we can defeat him. Dr. Eggman looks very strong today. Well, he's not very well at defending himself. He already got 8 points. Oh no, because I'm using a super shot. Let's unleash R1. Yes, that took him down as well. So looks like we won fencing with both super shots. And we came first in the celebration ceremony.
Yeah, awesome!
Now let's move on to the next event, which will be 4x100 Relay.
4x100-meter relay.
For this one it's a running event and you might need some pretty fast characters. So we'll take Silver, Sonic, and then Daisy, actually Peach, and then Amy. So looks like we're playing against 3 other teams. Blaze, Dr. Eggman and Knuckles. So let's take a look of how to play. As the event begins we hold R to charge our power and we press A at go to start running. We press A repeatedly to run, and the faster we press the button the faster we run. And we press R to use the super dash, but if we lose it too late and then you might crash into the next runner. And we must give the wing a baton by pressing Y when the yellow wing overlaps the dark wing. So now we can start.
On your marks.
Now let's start by charging ourselves up.
Ready.
Looks like we're fully charged.
Perfect!
Silver, we need to speed it up. Let's use our super dash.
Nice!
Sonic won.
Go,
Use
go,
our
go!
super dash. Peach, you can do it. Yes, we beat Shadow.
Hooray!
Looks looks like we're gonna win. Yes, we did win. And it was pretty fast. Looks like we came first in that event. So now we can do the last event, which is Canoe. And this is a boat race, so we need 2 characters.
Canoe.
And those shall be people who are good at paddling, like Yoshi, and then Sonic.
Time to go.
So let's have a quick look at the rules before we start. So we hold R to charge our power as the event begins, and then we tilt down at go to start. We tilt down to paddle, but we must paddle at the exact same time as our partner. And when we reach the last 300 meters, we have to push down as fast as we can, but we cannot stop. So now we can start. We're playing against 3 other teams, and looks like we're canoe number 1. The event is about to start. Oh no! Yoshi, go faster. We fell a bit behind, but now we're cleaning up. We're second now, and now we're first. We're doing pretty well, even though we went on a slow start. I think we're approaching the last 300 meters. Now Sonic's team are approaching us. I think we're going to come second. We came second, and we were so close to coming first. But let's go to a celebration ceremony. We got the silver medal this time. But my characters still look happy. So that's the end of this video, but I will do another one another time, and please subscribe to our channel. Okay, see you everyone.